there, Sour FaZeBerry. Whoop, yeah! Straight reviews in the house. Back at it again, back at it again with another video, and this time it's GFUEL gonna be guzzled in my mouth. Oh yeah! Check out the bubblegum flavor that I, also did a taste test on. It's okay. It tastes like that ghetto style bubblegum from back in the day that you can get out 7-Eleven. Matter of fact, it tastes like Bubba Hubba, bazooka bubblegum with the little comic book in it as well. This came in yesterday. It's called the Sour FaZeBerry right there. We're all nut cut. I got 7 of these GFUELs drowning in my gamer collection. Real raw and uncut. Say they get you revved up and also mind focused in these games. Make sure you guys go pick up one of these Evercade, retro gaming consoles. Real raw and uncut. I'm loving it right now. Check out my unboxing of that as well. The Evercade Premium Pack. Three old school classic cartridge games with a bunch of games stuffed into one each cartridge, and they got more later on. The Sour FaZeBerry Real Raw and Uncut. We got the container right there. We're gonna take it right here. We're gonna twist it and shout it and turn it around with this GFUEL right there, Sour FaZeBerry. And we're gonna open it up and see what's up in here. These containers cost about almost 40 bucks, real raw and uncut. So let's smell it. Okay. It smells like, sweet powdery candy. The powder is white, and we got the scooper right here. You can take the top off, or you can just keep it on here if you actually want some extra dippings inside your GFUEL Real Raw and Uncut. Pour it up in here. I don't even know where my daggone mixer thing is. Kids just get all in my stuff and just lose every dang thing, you know what I'm saying? But it's somewhere in the house right there. FattBoyygamer always getting into my stuff. So yeah, right there, Sour FaZeBerry. Whoop, yeah! So yes, let's pour it in here, real raw and uncut, and see what we got going on. You guys already know I like the extra, focus when I play my games right here. Now, we gotta dip it in there. Woo! Yeah! Dip it in there, baby. Sniff GFUEL in your nose like El Chapo. Woo! Yeah, don't recommend that. You sniff it in your nose and get rid of the coronavirus, you know what I'm saying? You gotta just give the coronavirus in your nose some gamer chug. Let's turn this thing on lid. Turn it. Oh yeah, cause you wanna turn it real nice and tight, like a tight girl fat booty that you about to just real raw and uncut. Oh, I like how I'll just turn like a pinkish purplish color. GFUEL has a tendency of, when you mix it hard, it leaves some of the powdery substance at the bottom of your shaker can right there. You see that right there? Yeah. You gotta put your muscle in it. Whoa, yeah. So as you guys can see right there, the color of it right here. I'm gonna open it up and show you guys. Up in here, right there. I wish I could just chug it right about now, but I don't want too much caffeine in my system. So let's taste it real raw and uncut, y'all. See what we got going on. I never had the regular FaZeBerry. And this looks like it's pomegranate, blueberries, and strawberries, like a type of punch flavor, like taste, but it tastes like a fruity drink. And it has that sour tartness infused in here. Just infused. Make you get extra thirsty and gamer focused right there. I was drinking this shit the other night. I was doing so good in Call of Duty. Damn, you know what I'm saying? We're all uncut. I ain't know what the hell is going on with me. I like it, but I still want to order the regular one and try it without the sour infused into this right there. FaZeBerry, we're all up. We got the blueberry chug right there, the sour chug it up, and we have the battle juice right there, pineapple there, and we got that cotton candy right there that I really so okay love. And like I said, the raging gummy fish right there, real raw and uncut, and we have the twisted candy. This is pretty much fuel because I really don't even get down with that well. And to tell you guys the truth, I like this better than the bubblegum one Real Raw and Uncut. I'm telling you guys, it's the year 2000 and I am explosive right now. Follow me on Twitch, y'all. You guys is dissing me. Follow me on there. My Twitch channel is Big Bear Bro. You see it going across the screen, Big Bear Bro. BIGGBEARBRO. I'm telling you guys wanted me to do Twitch. I don't see most of y'all coming over there. Come on now. Come on now, show some action. Bring your lazy asses over there and show your boy some love and hit that subscribe or hit that follow button. Hit me up if you want to collab. Real Raw and Uncut, serious inquiries. Save night and get your asses in the house on this weak-ass curfew. Real Raw and Uncut. That martial law.